Hello, my dolls. Welcome back to A Feminine Touch. Merry Christmas and a wonderful Happy New Year. I'm so excited to be recording my last episode for this year. I did start this channel this year, so I'm just super grateful for attracting every one of you. I love you guys so much, and I just can't believe that we have come to the end of the year. I just want to thank you so much for subscribing and supporting me. It means a lot. And in this episode, I'm just gonna do a 2023 recap as we enter 2024. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned. So dolls, one of the videos that I did recently and I would love to recap on is identity shifting, or how to switch your identity. A lot of things did not change until I started changing my identities, and I really go in depthly on how you can do that. A way I love to do that is affirming, because affirming really changes the limiting beliefs or anything, any bad negative thoughts you have about yourself, or that just comes up. So it just really helps change and counter that negative message coming up. It's no, I'm not this person, I am this person. So just the more you keep on saying it, the more your brain starts to believe it, and then you start seeing changes. So if you want to hear more about that, you can go to the identity shift. I said so much about that, and honestly I feel that's all you need. Watch the other videos, because I do also talk about how to seduce as a woman, because of course as a woman we're also dating. I don't know if you guys are married. It's fine if you're married. I feel that spark is always you need to be able to bring that spark back, so it's something you can watch too. I do have that, and they're amazing tips. Honestly dolls, you need to watch this. Another video I have is self-care as a feminine woman, and this is how I explain how to really take care of yourself as a woman, how important taking care of yourself and looking after yourself is as a woman. So I go in depthly on that if you want to watch that. I also talk about how to tap into your feminine energy and how to stop caring about people. That's the recent one, and I love that one because I really just talked about how to stop giving an F about people's opinions, because honestly no one cares, please. And then I do have the first one I made, which was basic femininity, and I was just explaining how to upgrade your appearance, because I feel when you need to make that shift, the first thing I started with was dressing up, changing how I dress and everything, and then everything kind of snowballed, I will say. So dressing is really important, because then you look at yourself and you can see that you're dressed in a different way, so you need to be acting that way. I just feel personally I express myself through fashion, so I just dressing up and looking good is really important for me. And if you're someone who just being comfortable, you really don't have to be dressed up every single time. But I do explain in that video how to get your wow effect, which is something I came up with, but I love. So yeah, I feel I just wanted to also see how everyone is doing this year. It's 26th today, and that's when I posted this, because this is the day of the full moon, and it's amazing to manifest here. So honestly, just get yourself in this energy, listen to these videos again, and really make that vision board for your 2024, because dolls, this is the time. This is the time. What are you waiting for? The universe is waiting for you to just make a decision and say yes, and then just trust and believe. You let me know how this year was for you, but I know for a fact that 2024 will be amazing. And if you're gonna create so many things and manifest in 2024, please let me know, because the more we are together, the better it is. I just love when women come together and just manifest. So I love you dolls. I don't want to talk so much because I'm kind of getting emotional, which is so funny. I truly love this channel and I love you guys. So yeah, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and if you have not subscribed, I think you really should right now, and like and share this video. I love you guys. I feel like I've said that a lot. Bye, and do not forget to have a feminine touch in everything you do. Mwah.